Hello and welcome to What's That Thing? My name is Whitney and today we're going to name the herbs. Herbs are delicious plants that can be added, fresh or dried, to food or drink to give lots of flavor. Have you tried any of these herbs? I am often used in Italian cooking. I am the main ingredient in pesto. I have a sweet and spicy flavor. Basil. I taste good on roasted meats and vegetables. I taste like citrus, pine, and pepper. I am sometimes used in focaccia bread. Rosemary. I am part of tabbouleh salad. I can be curly or flat. I have a fresh, clean, and peppery taste with a touch of earthiness. Parsley. I flavor toothpaste. I can make tea to soothe your tummy. I make candy canes. Taste wintry fresh. Mint. I am added to soap as fragrance. My scent helps people relax. I grow in many places, but most especially in France. Lavender. I am delicious with roasted turkey. I am a soft green or silvery in color. Some say I can make you wise. Sage. I am popular in French cooking. I have a fresh, earthy, and grassy taste. I am delicious with mushrooms. Thyme. I make pickles tasty. I am often served with sour cream. I am grassy and slight licorice flavor. Dill. I have a light oniony flavor. I am tasty on a baked potato. I grow in long, hollow tube shapes. Chives. Often used in Mediterranean cooking. I have a strong, fresh, and earthy scent. I can be helpful to help fight a cold. Oregano. I am also known by the name laurel. I can be used in soups, sauces, and made into tea. I am an evergreen plant. Bay leaves. I have a soft, lemony flavor. I am popular in Asian cooking. I have a tough stem, and you'll often see chefs give me a good knock to bring out my flavor. Lemongrass. Some people think I am delicious, and some people cannot stand the way I taste. I am popular in Asian, Indian, and Mexican cooking. In some countries, I am called coriander. Cilantro. Herbs can make a tasty addition to your food. Ask an adult who cooks for you if you can try different herbs to see which one you like best. Thank you for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. You help the channel grow. See you next time!